अपने कैमरास ऑन कीजिए. इट विल बी अ ग्रेट थिंग इफ यू कैन. रीना जी, हाउ आर यू? नाइस. कृतिका जी, हाउ आर यू? आयशा जी, रितु जी, सीमा जी, प्रीति जी, अंजलि जी, उजमा जी, जसवंत जी.
हेलो मैम।
We are good, ma'am.
All good, ma'am. Thank you.
Great. So this today's session is for parenting, correct? Today's session is for parenting, correct?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anybody tell me what exactly parenting is?
How to
Anybody?
handle
Just raise your hands and yes, Aisha ji, please.
how to handle our children
How to hand
emotionally.
emotionally. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Okay.
I'm working as a teacher for the grade one students, so I want to know as well as I have a son of 14-year-old,
Great.
14-year-old,
Great.
and same now new Gen Z.
Great. Anyone else? Anyone else wants to, put in their views about what parenting is? Anybody? Anybody who wants to share their views about parenting? Nobody? Okay.
मैम, अ, मेरे कुछ शेयर करना चाहूंगी।
Please,
अ,
ma'am.
मेरे हिसाब से बच्चे को जब गलत है तो उसको गलत के बारे में समझाएं और अच्छे संस्कार दें जो हम दे सकते हैं, कोशिश करें। बाकी तो बड़ा होने के बाद वो क्या करेंगे वो अपने हिसाब से करेंगे, लेकिन हमारी कोशिश ये रहे कि उन्हें गलत के समय गलत समझा सकें, सपोर्ट करें, लेकिन हर जगह नहीं कि जहाँ पे लगे कि बस कोई नहीं हमारा बच्चा है इसलिए वो सही है, ऐसा नहीं।
Okay. Okay, fine. Anybody else? और कोई? इतने सारे पेरेंट्स हैं. देयर आर ऑलमोस्ट 27 पीपल. मुझे छोड़कर चलो
Uh,
श्वेता जी को भी निकाल देते हैं. देयर आर 26 पीपल. Only 2 people does have their parenting, you know, line with them. रितु जी, कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी? रितु जी कह रही क्या ही बोलूं मैं.
Parenting involves discipline and the values of the life we have to teach to our children,
Okay.
and we have to provide the basic need.
Okay.
And if children are not finding love in the family, they will find outside. So that is all we have to provide and take care of their actions. And time to time, we have to correct them with counseling. Sometimes, if needed punishment, it's okay, but only punishment will not work.
Okay. Great. Great. रितु जी, you were saying something.
मतलब helping the children to grow in the right way, helping them to decide what is wrong, what is right. That is parenting.
Okay, fine. Kritika ji, you want to say something?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, other than, obviously the basic essentials that we want to, our children to have, that every parent does. We want to give them the best of the life. But, to nurture them, maybe to raise them, if they are boys, maybe to raise them in such a way that they have that compassionate heart, and also they become so strong that any type of situation in life they're able to cope up with, and they should be happy whatever life gives them. That is basically my focus point.
Very nice, Kritika ji. Very
Thank
nice.
you, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay. आप सबके पेरेंट्स हैं ना? आप सब पेरेंट्स हैं. आप सबके भी पेरेंट्स हैं, करेक्ट? अब मुझे ये जवाब दीजिए कि क्या आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको एडल्ट की तरह ट्रीट करना शुरू किया, या स्टिल दे थिंक दैट यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग?
थोड़ा थोड़ा किया है मैम।
थोड़ा थोड़ा किया है?
हम्म।
ये किसने बोला है थोड़ा थोड़ा किया है?
मैम, कृतिका।
कृतिका। कृतिका जी, व्हाट्स योर एज? सॉरी, डोंट माइंड मी आस्किंग योर एज, लड़कियों से उनकी।
नो, कोई बात नहीं मैम। I'll be 40 this year.
40 दिस ईयर, एंड
Yes.
अभी आपके पेरेंट्स ने थोड़ा थोड़ा आपको एडल्ट।
Yes.
Same here, ma'am.
Same here. How many of you think that your parents still think that you are a kid and you don't know anything and you still need an advice? Please raise your hands. Jashwant ji, you are smiling. No?
Yeah, because we are sailing in the same boat.
You know why I ask this question? Why I ask this question? Because you need to understand for the first the concept of parenting. You know, the concept of parenting is very different in whatever aspect you just said. आपके पेरेंट्स, ओके, when you are even if you are in your 40s, then also they treat you as a kid. Do you think you like it? Honestly speaking, tell me, do you think you like it?
Yes, of course, I like it.
As
Sometimes, yes,
expectations और
sometimes.
assumptions और बहुत से ऐसी चीजें हैं जो किरदार रहते हैं ना इधर उधर, हर एक को क्या पसंद आता है? ऑनेस्टली,
Emotion and practical both are different. Emotionally, it's okay, but practically, it's not good.
है ना? बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं ना जो आपको लगता है यार उस टाइम पे आपका टाइम और था, अभी चीजें और हो गई है। यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, होता है या नहीं होता है?
होता है मैम, कई बार इरिटेट होके बोलते भी है पेरेंट्स को हम कि
कई
अभी
बार
मैं
इरिटेट होके
हाँ,
बोलते भी है
इरिटेट
पेरेंट्स को,
बोलते भी है।
एब्सोल्युटली। अभी मजेदार बात बताती हूँ, आपने क्वेश्चंस लिखे, आपने जब क्वेरी भरी, आपने जब ये इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म भरा, तो आपने सबने लिखा कि बच्चों में आप इस सेशन से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करें, करेक्ट? किसी ने लिखा कि डिसिप्लिन में कैसे लाएं बच्चों को, किसी ने लिखा कि उनको चीजें कैसे समझाएं, किसी ने लिखा मेरा बच्चा बात ही नहीं करता है, मुझे समझ नहीं आता, मैं उसको अंडरस्टैंड करती हूँ लेकिन वो कभी कभी क्या सोचता है मुझे पता ही नहीं लगता। Not even a single parent has written that I want happiness for my child. Just tell me how to get it. Not even a single parent has written this, that I want happiness for my child. Just tell me how to get it. Put yourself into that shoes that you are a child and you still get irritated with your parents, not understanding you. Think about it. Some people has written that, okay, you want to make a harmonious relationship with your kid. But how this is going to happen if your parents are not able to understand you even at this age? How do you think you are going to cope up with it, with the Gen Z's right now? As someone said, now kids are Gen Z's, because now the scenario has totally changed. No, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, just put in your views. If you think I'm wrong, please. I'm happy. I'm happy to have, a healthy discussion about it.
As a parent, we need our children to be happy, ma'am. That is the main thing we want.
Absolutely. What exactly parenting means, I should be able to give my kid whatever makes him or her happy, with morals, values, and the most important perspective, the kind of support I can give. When you said that, okay, punishments are required, yes, absolutely correct, that yes, certain kids need punishments, but at the same time certain kids are very smart, rather more smarter than you. So first of all, you need to understand your kid to actually become a great parent. Now think about it. You are someone who went to somebody's place and you just need a glass of water because you are feeling thirsty. you are feeling restless because you just want water, and that person is offering you limca, cold drink, cold coffee, milk, shakes, or the bestest of they can provide you. Do you think you will be happy with that if they
Hmm.
don't give you that glass of water? Just answer me.
No,
No, ma'am.
no.
Correct? Not at all, no? Not at all. Then whatever you are giving might be the best according to you, but that not in compulsive way should be right for your kid. Some people are, some parents are very modernized. They think that, okay, I give opportunity to my kid to be someone whatever he or she wants, but that kid is actually someone who cannot decide, or who does have an influence personality, or who does cannot carry that self connection where he or she might be able to understand exactly what he or she needs. Technically, even as
Yeah,
a modernized parent, you are creating a pressure on them to decide without knowing this, that they are someone who cannot decide in their life. Right now I have more than 33 people, I have more than 30 people in this session. Ask yourself, are you someone who can take decision very immediately, or don't you have people around you who takes a way too much longer time than expected to decide certain things, even with the experiences you have in your life? Then tell me, how do you expect a kid of 15 years old who doesn't have any sort of experience in life, who does have protective shell throughout their life, technically 15 years in all their life is all about, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. And even in that 15 years, you are always into that protective, they are always into that, that protective shell, aren't they? Aaj, you know there were times, when we were kids, we had certain situations, we had certain responsibilities on us. We get matured very easily, or we get matured very soon. But are we giving that space to our kids now? Because we make it a way too much possibility to give our child the bestest, even if I can't afford it. Yes or no? Yes
yes,
or no?
definitely. Yes, yes, yes,
Either
ma'am.
raise your hands or
Yes, yes, ma'am.
right. We want to give our child the best. Technically, by giving that best, you are actually, you know, losing the potential they have. Spoon feeding is never good for any kid, for that matter of fact. Till the time you don't experience things, till the time you don't fail, till the time you don't fall, you won't understand. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड सर्टन थिंग्स? कितने ऐसे लोग हैं जिनकी लाइफ में, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जिन्होंने बहुत कुछ समझाया कि ऐसा मत करो, ऐसा मत करो, उस टाइम आपने नहीं सुनी, लेकिन जब आपको ये रियलाइज हुआ कि वो इंसान सही कह रहा था, तब आपको रिग्रेट हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? अरे, हाँ या ना बोल दो प्लीज।
Yes, हाँ हुआ मैम. Yes.
ऐसे ऐसे थम्स अप कर दो, या हाँ या ना बोल दो। एक तो स्क्रीन पे बहुत सारे लोग दिखाई नहीं दे रहे, अगर कैमरा में दिखाई देंगे तो मुझे थोड़ा यू नो उनके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से पता लगता है। अभी आप अगर पेरेंट हो और आपके बच्चे को आप कुछ समझा रहे हो, और उसको समझ आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा आपको नहीं पता चल रहा, तो आप थोड़े मेंटली वो होगे ना अपसेट। मेरे साथ भी
हम्म.
ऐसे ही हो रहा है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हेन you really want to be a great parent, first of all, you need to understand one thing, that parenting is not about doing the right thing. No, you can never be right, because your right might be wrong for your kid, and your wrong might be right for your kid. ऐसा आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ भी तो है ना? इज इट नॉट सेम विद योर पेरेंट्स, और विद योर सिबलिंग्स, और विद योर पार्टनर, और विद योर कुलीग्स? इज इट नॉट? Does everybody understand you well? Ask
No.
ask a question to your own self, that okay, who knows me 100%? And trust me, the answer will be no one. Yes or no?
Yes, you're right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I too boring?
No.
Are you
No.
guys getting bored?
No, no,
No,
no.
ma'am. No,
Just
ma'am.
No, no, ma'am.
तो
No,
आवाज
ma'am.
आनी चाहिए
You're
ना मुझे.
making us think. Ma'am, you're making us think.
I am making you think. Good. I am achieving, what I am here for. Because my see, you need to understand that parenting is not something which you can learn like this. Parenting is not about learning things. Parenting is about unlearning things. Parenting is about knowing your kid and giving them what they want in the right perspective. If my kid is overthinker, my job should be to create a space, to create a space where that overthinking can be rectified, rather than giving them every time the second opinion, or a push, or a spoon feeding, to not to think. Because अभी तो आप कर लोगे 15 साल तक, 20 साल तक, उसके बाद उसको बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा ना, बाहर जाना ही पड़ेगा ना. आप अपने बच्चे को हर टाइम तो ऐसे करके नहीं रख पाओगे ना.
नहीं रख पाएंगे.
नहीं.
तो बाहर जाना पड़ेगा ना. आप कैसे तैयार करोगे उस बच्चे को? आज की डेट में हम लोग बहुत पर्टिकुलर है. अरे इतना कुछ देखने को मिल रहा है, मोलेस्टेशंस हो रही हैं, इतना कुछ हो रहा है, रेप्स हो रहे हैं, गलत चीजें हो रही हैं. हम अपने बच्चे को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. क्या कोई भी ऐसा पेरेंट इस सेशन में है जो अपने बच्चे को उस चीज के लिए तैयार कर रहा हो, बातों से नहीं, बाहर भेज के?
ट्राई कर रहे हैं मैम, कोशिश करते हैं कि अकेले जाएं, कुछ देखें और सीखें,
ये
फेस
parent
करें.
को-
फेस
मैं
फेस.
ये प्लीज, आप जो भी है, आप पहले मुझे अपना नाम बताइए.
रीना. रीना.
रीना जी, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू.
थैंक यू मैम.
मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप ये करते हैं, तो आप अच्छी पेरेंटिंग की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं.
थैंक यू मैम.
आपका पेरेंट बनना सबसे पहले ये क्रिएटिविटी है, दैट यू शुड गिव योर किड दैट स्पेस वेयर he or she should be able to handle any kind of situation, as rightly said by Kritika ji, I guess. Kritika ji said that the same thing, right, Kritika ji? If I'm not wrong, you said this, right? The first thing as a parent should be making my kid available for any situation.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I said. Yes.
He or she should be able to decide, between right and wrong without you into their life. अगर आप हर टाइम रहोगे, आप उनको हर टाइम बताते रहोगे ये सही है, गलत है, ये सही है, ये कितना सही और गलत बता लोगे? जब वो बच्चा अकेला है, अब उससे ये सिचुएशन है, ये सही है, ये गलत है, हाउ? Deepak ji, you raised your hand. You wanted to say something? Deepak ji?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm his wife. I'm taking the session.
Great.
हाँ.
You are
Actually, ma'am,
very
एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था. My daughter is 5 years old. When में उसके साथ कुछ मिसबिहेव हुआ था, so उसने बताया नहीं, बिकॉज स्कूल में फ्रेंड्स नहीं बनेंगे, सब उससे बात नहीं करेंगे, करेगा। तो आई लेट हर हैंडल दिस। मैंने उससे पूछा आपको अच्छा लगा, आपको कैसा लगा, आप बोलिए, यू टेक योर स्टैंड। तो प्रिंसिपल के आगे से जस्ट एक्सेप्ट दिस थिंग। तो मैं अभी उससे पूछती रहती हूँ, बट मैं उससे उसी के वे पूछती हूँ। मैं उससे बोलती हूँ आपको क्या लगता है, आपको क्या करना चाहिए। तो वो मुझे सॉल्यूशन देती है, मम्मा चिल्लाना चाहिए, मम्मा मैम के पास जाना चाहिए। मैं उसी से सॉल्यूशन देखती हूँ, मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि वो ही थोड़ा थिंक करे इस बारे में।
Absolutely. That's parenting. Giving them the opportunity to decide for their life. अभी मेरा दूसरा सवाल एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग आप लोगों से है, ओके, एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, क्या आपके आसपास ऐसे लोग नहीं हैं जो ओवर थिंक करते हैं?
बहुत है डेफिनेटली, शायद हम खुद हैं।
शायद हम।
हम्म
क्या आपके पास ऐसे लोग नहीं हैं जिनकी एज तो यहाँ है लेकिन उनकी मैच्योरिटी लेवल, हाँ
है
या ना?
है, बिल्कुल है,
है
बिल्कुल।
हाँ हाँ
क्या आपके पास ऐसे लोग हैं आसपास जिनकी उम्र तो इतनी है लेकिन लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस इतना
बिल्कुल है, बिल्कुल,
है?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
जिसकी उम्र इतनी है और लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस इतना है ना, ट्राई टू टॉक टू देम. What you will understand is that they have lived their life in a practical way. They have faced every situation on their own without any help. Sometimes asking is never a solution, because you might ask, you are able to ask, but is it really the scenario that the other person will answer or will be able to answer? Like right now on my screen I can see Twinkle ji. Okay, if I'm not wrong, Twinkle ji is someone, she talks but only when she knows that the other person is going to give the attention. Otherwise she always keeps a mum. Tell me, Twinkle ji, am I correct or not?
इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट मैम। मुझे जब ये लगता है कि अगर सामने वाला सुनने को तैयार है मेरे को, तो मैं तभी बात करना पसंद करती हूँ।
मैंने अभी
अदरवाइज आई टेक
बोला
वाइट।
मैंने अभी वो
आपने बोला अगर अटेंशन मिलेगा तो ट्विंकल जी
टेंशन
बात।
का मतलब क्या होता है? वैलिडेशन, एक्नॉलेजमेंट्स.
हाँ मतलब अगर मेरी बात सुनने के लिए कोई, हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है, हाँ उस सेंस में।
देखो, अगर आप लिटरली वर्ड्स पे जाओगे फिर तो काम नहीं होगा.
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी,
See,
आई अंडरस्टूड।
if I'm not wrong, for you, respect means everything. That is the reason you want to use the word attention. Acknowledgement is the right word for you. Correct?
हाँ हाँ मतलब अगर सामने वाला मेरी बात सुनने के मूड में है तो देन आई विल स्पीक।
ठीक है. अब now if somebody is continuously asking her something which she doesn't want to share or she doesn't feel safe, she will never talk about it. She will never talk about it because she'll make her the assumptions that okay, this person might not be able to understand this, or sometimes she'll think about ki, why to hurt this person. If she's talking to her mother, or if she's talking to her partner, or if she's talking to her sibling, the parameter will be different. Whom she'll love the most, she might not be able to tell him or her the most hurtful part of her life, because she doesn't want to hurt that person, right? So every person is different, and when it comes to parenting, you need to understand one thing, that parenting is not about any right or wrong. Parenting is not about giving my child the best. Parenting is not about giving the education about right or wrong to my kid. Parenting is all about giving a space to my kid to understand right or wrong, to face situations on their own. That's the only thing you as a parent can do best for your kid. The moment you understand this, the moment you realize this, that I have been a kid, I am still a kid for my parents, even if I'm at the age of 45 or 50, and trust me, even at the age of 60, if your parents are alive, they'll treat you as a kid only, na? They'll treat you as a kid. Now you need to understand the funda, whether you want to be that parent, or you want to be that parent where your kids will come happily to share anything or everything, even if it is wrong, even if it is the worst, even if it is hurtful, even if it is joy of their life, they really need to come to you. And the moment your kid comes to you with their problems or their happiness, you should feel happy, or you should feel content that, okay, I have done the right parenting. That is the right parenting. Right parenting is not about, uh, thinking about, my kid is spending the whole time on phone. Now, if that kid is high thinker, if that kid is a creator, if that kid is someone who does have a research thoughtful thought mind, or if my kid is someone who cannot sit idle for longer period of time, now tell me, are you spending your time with that kid? No. You are asking them to either study or do something which you want them to do. Correct? और लास्टली व्हाट, घर का काम, यहां से ये उठा लो, यहां से ये उठा लो, डिसिप्लिन. Have you ever talked to your kid, or have you ever tried to understand? People usually come to me with the thought कि ये सारा दिन फोन में रहता है, तो मैं उनसे पूछती हूँ, आप इसके साथ कितना टाइम स्पेंड करते हो? हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं होता. तो अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, बाहर आप उसे जाने नहीं दे रहे, टेल मी व्हाट दैट किड विल डू. क्या करेगा? हमारे टाइम में, मैं हमारे इसलिए बोल रही हूँ कि चलो मैं थोड़ी सी उस पे हूँ, लेकिन हमसे भी पुराने टाइम में दो दो तीन तीन बच्चे होते थे, चार भी होते थे, पांच भी होते थे, उससे पीछे चले जाओ, बहुत सारी, घर में ही एक पूरा कुलबा होता था, है ना? तो सबके पास टाइम स्पेंड करने का टाइम था. आज आपके पास है वो टाइम? नहीं. और अगर गलती से आपके पास टाइम है, तो आप उसमें क्या करोगे? अपना रीले देख लोगे, आपको गाने सुनने पसंद है, गाने सुन लोगे, किसी की चुगली करनी पसंद है, तो आओ बहन चुगली करें. राइट? अपने किसी को फोन कर लोगे. क्या आप उस बच्चे के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो? आर यू स्पेंडिंग योर टाइम विद दैट किड? नो.
नहीं मैम, किया है, काफी करते हैं.
टीना जी, एक्सेप्शंस आर देयर.
ओके. ओके.
Let others think too, na? Ask yourself, are you spending your time with your kid? Are you trying to understand them? No. आप लोग उनके IQ लेवल पे सर्च करते हो, एकेडमिक्स में परसेंटेज कितने आ रहे हैं उसके बेस पे उनको जज करते हो. अगर परसेंटेज कम आ रहे हैं तो आप उनकी ट्यूशंस लगवा दोगे, आप उनके लिए कोचिंग स्टार्ट करवा दोगे. ये नहीं कर रहा, किससे पूछूं, ये टीचर से पूछती हूँ, इससे पूछती हूँ, उससे पूछती हूँ. क्या आप बच्चे को समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? नहीं. नो, नेवर. So it's not about being the right parent. It's about being the right human being. Your kid is, first of all, not your property. Secondly, the most important thing, they are an individual. They are not just your kids. They are individuals. Deepak, okay. Deepak ji ki wife said ke, ma'am, problem is Sanskrit is easy for him. Sanskrit के मंत्रास पढ़ लेता है, बट ABCD नहीं पढ़ पाता. Now think about it, that her kid is actually excellent, but she wants him to learn ABCD. Think about it. My kid is a genius, but I want to try. I want to put him into that square box. Why? If my kid is genius in Sanskrit, let's go for, the Sanskrit classes. Let's go for something, bigger than academics. किसने कहा कि academics में ही सब कुछ है? Every genius has failed in their academics. This is not something, I am making up. This is a biggest fact. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Einstein. Everybody said that he's mad. And today, Einstein is genius. Genius kids are someone who doesn't fit into academy. Simple. You just have to, figure out the right way for him or her. Why you have to put him, into that box? Why? If you don't like Rajma Chawal or if you don't like Curry Chawal and I'm making you eat every day, every single, meal with that thing, would you like it? No, never. Then why do you expect your kid to like it or be perfect in it? If your kid is not able to do certain things, understand what he is able to do. Some kids are born to, do the difficult things easily, and easier things are always, difficult. If, you have plenty of names. Hrithik Roshan, Abhishek Bachchan. They were all, into that category where they were not able to, do certain things, which everybody else is doing like this. But they're genius. Yes, Twinkle ji, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have this case in my home कि मेरे दोनों बच्चे, एक ने 12th करा है और एक स्कूल टॉपर रही है. मेरी डॉटर स्कूल टॉपर रही है और मेरे बेटे ने 12th के बाद स्टडीज क्विट कर दी. और व्हेन ही वाज इन क्लास 5th he started learning coding और उसने वेबसाइट्स ये सब करा. और दोनों के केस में मैंने दोनों को सपोर्ट करा. उसका नेचुरल इंटरेस्ट था डॉटर मेरी का स्टडीज में, एकेडमिक्स में, और बेटे का मेरा बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं था स्टडीज में. तो 5th ऑनवर्ड्स मतलब हाँ, उसने 12th करा. उसके बाद उसने बोला कि मम्मा मैं नहीं करना चाहता. मैंने कहा अगर जॉब नहीं करनी तुम्हें तो यू कैन गो विद योर डिसीजन.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो क्या वो लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा? 110% होगा. इनफैक्ट पीपल. यस जी, कंटिन्यू प्लीज.
हाँ जी, मैं सक्सेसफुल आप किस तरह से कहेंगे उसको, इन टर्म्स ऑफ मॉनेटरी और इन टर्म्स ऑफ लर्निंग, किस तरह से आप सक्सेसफुल उसको काउंट करेंगे?
नॉट मॉनेटरी. Success
हाँ
is
जी,
never success is something not, it cannot, compared, or it cannot be,
हाँ हाँ, मुझे जो लगता है सक्सेस जो है उसकी, उसने कितना सीखा इस पीरियड में, प्लस कितना खुश है वो अपनी जिंदगी में, जो भी वो कर रहा है उसमें उसको खुशी मिल रही है कि नहीं मिल रही. मेरे अकॉर्डिंगली सक्सेस यही है. मॉनिटरी आता जाता रहेगा, कम होगा, आज कम है.
देखो, अगर इंसान वो कर रहा है जिसमें वो खुश है तो मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट तो आना ही
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
आना ही आना है.
बिल्कुल.
पैसे
आई एम
नहीं
वेटिंग फॉर द राइट टाइम. मतलब इस तरह से नहीं है कि मैं कहूँ मॉनिटरी बहुत अच्छा वो कर रहा है, बट ही इज डूइंग,
Twinkle ji,
ही इज ट्राइंग.
see, you need to understand, you need to give him time ना. अभी तो
हाँ, आई
he
एम
has
गिविंग हिम
started.
टाइम. हाँ हाँ,
And trust me, this is my
और
commitment
उसने
that
बहुत अच्छा करा है.
your kid will, grow like anything. Because first of all, he does have, passion for something which is a creative thing. And secondly, as a parent, you have always supported him.
राइट.
So for every parent, what is the most important criteria for being a good parent is, first, understand your kid.
राइट.
Work for his or her happiness. Okay. Get involved into practical learnings rather than टॉक्स,
हम्म
ऐसा
हम्म
करो, उन्हें करने दो
हम्म
और फिर
हम्म
समझाओ।
हाँ, मैं डिस्कस करती हूँ उससे कि कहीं पे तेरे को कुछ है, उस तरह से डिस्कस करता है वो हमसे। तो जो हमारी नॉलेज, एज पर माय नॉलेज, जो भी उसके साथ होता है, तो मैं शेयर करती हूँ अपने व्यूज उसके साथ। दैट इज इट।
Sometimes
हम्म
if you tell the other person don't do this, that person won't listen to you,
हम्म
because the person will think,
हम्म
okay, you might have made this mistake. I might not be able, make this mistake, because they are
हम्म
self cognitive people, because they learn from within. So let them make the
हम्म
mistake, Baba. You are there
हम्म
now, them.
हम्म
A
हम्म
supporter. Why let them make mistakes, na? Because the moment
हम्म
they'll make mistake, they'll understand what not to do.
राइट।
You making them understand will only bitter up your
नेवर।
relation.
हाँ हाँ।
It will just create a distance between you guys.
राइट।
Shweta ji has told you about the 8 innates, yesterday, correct?
हम्म। आई डिडंट अटेंड दैट।
Ultimately, those 8 innates makes a human thought. Okay? Every single person is different. Every single person is different. Even you, if you are two siblings coming from the same mother, even if you are twins coming from the same womb, same time pay, then also the brain is very different. Very
राइट।
different. Why? Because whatever mother thinks in last 6 months becomes the brain of the kid. And that is the reason, our ancestors used to say, think positive while pregnancy. Because whatever you think in last 6 months becomes your kid's brain. Think about it. If you would have known it earlier, you might be able to, do certain other things than whatever you did. No? A mother has a power to make her kid anything she wants. Anything she wants. If she wants, her kid to be a, doctor, she just have to, go through the right things in that last 6 months to make him or her the doctor. Have you known this?
नो।
माँ को इतना बड़ा जो दिया गया है, माँ माँ माँ, वो सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि हम बच्चे पैदा करते हैं,
राइट।
वो इसलिए क्योंकि whatever वो if a mother wants, वो अपने बच्चे को वो बना सकती है जो वो चाहती है. How amazing this is, ना? Right? How amazing this is. Think about it. अगर आपको पहले पता होता तो. अभी भी जो जो अभी
बिल्कुल।
प्रेगनेंसी के कारागार पे हैं, वो उनको अभी ये बताया जा सकता है,
राइट।
या जो अभी सोच रहे हैं कि
हम लोग बाद में काम करते हैं, हम लोग बाद में सोचते हैं कि बच्चे को ये बनाना है। हम लोगों ने बाद में, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे नहीं थी नॉलेज, हमें नॉलेज नहीं थी। अगर होती तो डेफिनेटली।
बट अगर अभी भी आपके पास ऐसी ऑप्शंस हैं कि आप अपने बच्चे के बारे में सब कुछ जान सकते हो, वो क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं, आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप क्या नहीं कर सकते. हर शख्स अपने आप को ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहा है ना. एवरी पर्सन इज इन सर्च ऑफ own selves too, because if you are not happy, you cannot make your kids happy too. Correct?
एग्जैक्टली।
कितनी बार ऐसा नहीं हुआ that you are unstable because of anything, because of any XYZ. But the anger किस पे उतरा? बच्चों पे उतरा ना. कई बार शायद आप लोगों ने बहुत बार रियलाइज भी किया होगा, यार इसकी क्या गलती थी. दिक्कत क्या है कि वो हमारे कंट्रोल में रहते हैं ना, इसलिए सब उन पे उतर जाता है. होता है ना?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैम, कई बार एंगर से ज्यादा ना हम अटेंशन नहीं दे पाते बच्चों को, अपने उस प्रॉब्लम की वजह से।
इट्स लाइक यू नो या ऐसे पकड़ो या ऐसे पकड़ो, एक ही चीज है. यस कृतिका, वांट टू से.
मैम जैसे बहुत बार क्या होता है ना कि कुछ चीजें हैं जो बेसिक चीजें अपन को पता है, इट शुड बी लाइक दैट। जैसे नॉर्मल रूटीन बच्चों का, या बहुत ज्यादा टीवी नहीं देखना उनका।
एक मिनट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग कृतिका जी, कि टीवी कितना देखना है या कितना नहीं देखना है, ये हर बच्चे पे लागू नहीं होता है. If your kid is a visual learner, if your kid is an auditory learner, if your kid is someone who is way too much creative in their thoughts, if your kid is high on imaginations, if your kid is high on observation, that kid need TV.
Okay. Okay.
And the most important thing is that routine is for you. Every individual has their own routines. Some people are so disciplined that they cannot bear even 1 minute of here and there. Some people are like, उनको 1 घंटा उठाओ नहीं तो वो उठेंगे भी नहीं.
सब पब्लिक है अपने ताले पीटते अपन में तब
Yes.
Routine is something you follow and you want everybody to follow it.
मंकी के ऊपर से
Yes, that is the problem.
Right? Now, if me, I am someone who don't sleep at night. Okay, this is not something which has been with me for recent years. It's something which is since I'm born actually. Since I'm born. But unfortunately, people always say, जल्दी सो जाओ जल्दी उठो, सुबह सुबह उठ के पढ़ाई करो. बहुत से ऐसे पेरेंट्स है ना कि सुबह सुबह मॉर्निंग में उठना चाहिए. बट it's not true. It's not at all true. Kids who does have high imaginations or who does have the high need of perfection, they are someone who are actually owls. They can study at night only.
Yes, even I studied at night only.
See, then why you are talking about routines? Don't talk about routines. Routine is not for everybody, Baba. You just have to make them understand what is right and wrong. If you think that he doesn't get up and he always gets late for school, let him be late for school. Let him be scolded from school. He'll not do it. Again, practical understanding, na?
Yes.
Stop doing everything for them. If you think that your kid doesn't eat, create a simple rule. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. The plate will be in front of them. If they eat in that 10 minutes, okay. Otherwise they have to stay hungry. फिर अपनी ममता मत जगाओ, हाय मेरे बच्चे ने कुछ खाया नहीं, उन्हें भूख लगने दो. Let them understand the value of food. Let them understand the value of hunger. Let them come to you for that. अगर किसी को बार बार वो सारी चीजें दे दी जाती हैं जिसकी शायद उसको जरूरत भी नहीं है, तो अल्टीमेटली वो वेस्ट चली जाती है. उनको आपके पास आने दो ना. अब किसी का पेट इतने से भर जाता है, किसी का पेट इतने से भरता है. आप एज अ मदर कहते हो नहीं, एक ही रोटी खाई है, 2 तो खाओ, कम से कम 2 तो खाओ. उन्हें भूख लगने दो. Let them understand the value of hunger. Let them understand the value of food. Don't try to push them to do something which they don't want. Because the moment you do that, the disconnect between you and them becomes bigger. Now, Prisha ma'am said, but they make us deprived of sleep by not being in good sleep time. मैंने कहा ना अभी, right now whatever I am saying is something you need to understand, which is what I'm trying to make you understand. Make them understand or make them realize about everything you want them to learn. If you want them to learn about sleep, let them understand it na, by not sleeping. Create a space. create that space where they can understand the value of that sleep. And some people, trust me, some individuals cannot sleep for more than 1 hour in a day. There are many people. Insomniacs are like this only, na? The person, you are talking to right now, do you think, can you actually imagine that I have not slept from almost 22 days consecutively, not even for 1 hour? Can you make it out? No, that is not needed for me. Yes, Aisha ji, I'm coming. I'm just coming. Ma'am, 5-year-old boy is very impulsive. He started hurting himself when he gets hungry at something. Me, us, time ignore करती हूँ. Maybe वो attention के लिए करता है, but now this is the thing. Now this is the thing. You need to understand. अब अगर मेरा बच्चा ऐसा है जो टिक के नहीं बैठ सकता है, ठीक है, जिसे टिक के नहीं बैठना पसंद है. अभी आप सब में से ऐसे बहुत सारी फीमेल्स होंगी जिन्हें टिक के बैठना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. हु कैन नॉट सिट आइडल फॉर मोर देन 2 आवर. अब आपके पास वो लॉजिक है कि अच्छा बैठना ही पड़ेगा, ये सेशन है तो बैठना ही पड़ेगा. उसमें भी आप में से बहुत सारे लोग टांग हिला रहे होंगे, बहुत सारे लोग पोस्चर ऐसे कर लेंगे, ऐसे कर लेंगे, ऐसे कर लेंगे. आप लोगों के पास लॉजिक है, आप लोगों के पास एक सेंस ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. उस बच्चे के पास जो 5 साल का है, उसके पास शायद वो नहीं है. तो सबसे पहले तो उसकी भूख मिटाओ. उसकी भूख क्या है? एनर्जी ना, फिजिकल एनर्जी. फिजिकल एनर्जी तो उसको ऐसी किसी प्रोफेशनल एक्टिविटी में डालो जिसमें उसकी वो फिजिकल एनर्जी यूज हो. इट्स अ सिंपल फैक्ट. अगर मेरा बच्चा टिक के नहीं बैठ, अगर मेरा बच्चा भूखा है, आपको लगता है कि अगर मैं उसको कहूंगी कि ये खाना किसी और को दे के आओ तो वो दे के आ पाएगा? नहीं ना. वो कहेगा पहले मैं ही खा लूं. लेकिन अगर उसका पेट फुल है तो वो ऐसा नहीं करेगा ना. आयशा जी, you want to say something? आयशा जी.
Yes, ma'am.
जी.
Regarding my 14-year-old son only. He wants to always ride bicycles, not bicycles, want to ride bikes. I always tell him because it is not age to use this bikes. But he don't understand. I scared whenever I heard that I'm living in the 3rd floor. I don't know when he does like that. When I heard something, I'm really scared. I cried and asked and begged him, don't do like this. You have more years to do. We have
Okay.
still years.
Then let me ask you one thing. What if your kid is a racer?
Sorry, ma'am?
What if your kid is a racer?
I didn't understand.
रेसर वो होते हैं ना, कार ड्राइव करते हैं, रेस करते हैं.
No, not racer.
आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू, व्हाट इफ.
What if?
हाँ, this is your fear na. This
Yes.
is your fear that he should not ride a bike at this age. This is your fear. But what if he is by birth a racer who for him speed is everything? Think about it. What if he is like that?
But at this age, he is.
No. Don't. I already told you that maturity or strength or talent. You people call it a talent, is not something which comes from age. It comes from mind. I started riding a bike at the age of 8. I started riding a bike at the age of 8. But what my parents made me understand that this age you cannot ride legally.
Of course, that's what I say. At least wait for 2-3 years more.
No, but you need to, give him at least you need to give him that space where he can actually understand to learn a bike, make it.
Thank you so much for supporting me, ma'am.
To not, drive or, till the time he's legal, but you can give him the opportunity, na baba, to learn it or to ride it. और गिर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? अभी tell me one thing. Even if let's assume he is 26 years of age and he is riding a bike, don't you think accidents can happen then also? Abhi, don't look at me, as if I said something. Oh, please don't say this.
not like, ma'am. I'm really always fear of that
But
one.
that fear is, that fear is in your mind, Aisha ji.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
day he has to ride the bike, na baba. There will be one day, na, he has to ride the bike. Do you think that your fear will go? No, it will stay the same.
Yes, absolutely, you're right.
It will stay the same, na, baba. The
I
fear is
once
in
saw
your
an
mind.
accident in front of me, ma'am. That's why.
Exactly. That is your fear. That is your life's experience. Don't, put your experience on his mind. Don't do
I
that.
would like to share something if I'm allowed, please.
Yes, yes,
It's the
please.
real life example of my, it's a real life example of my buas. Right from the childhood, she has only one child who is of my age only, is 40 years. And right from since childhood, she used to say about this riding of bike or any vehicle. So she didn't allow him to learn anything. So not even a cycle he could, you know,
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's exactly what the point
because,
is. The fear is in your mind. That,
she
the
was,
problem is in your mind. It is
but,
its problem.
but
Hello?
am I audible?
Yeah, now you are audible.
Want to share what happened next. Yeah, what happened next is when he was like 30 years old, he was going by an auto. He lives in Surat, and he met with an accident, and now he's bedridden because of his leg. I mean, the this thought maybe his mother, this thought that he might,
Manifest.
meet with an
She has
accident.
manifested
This
this
thought
thought.
she manifested. Yes, she has
Has
manifested right
manifested
from
this.
his childhood that इसको कुछ हो जाएगा.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. She has manifested it. And this is something what I'm trying to make you understand. See, universe has a bigger power, okay? Whatever you think in your mind happens, actually happens. The issue is that we always think ye nahi ho, अरे ये हो ना जाए, हाय ये हो ना जाए. Universe doesn't understand the word no. And that is the reason every time, whatever you fear of, that happens because you are manifesting it. Protective shell actually break up your kid. It actually create that space for your kid where he or she, even if they are way too much productive, they are unable to do anything. अब आप लोग में से बहुत सारे ऐसे पेरेंट्स होंगे ना जो अपने बच्चों को ये समझाते हैं कि हमारी एज में हमने ये किया, हमने ऐसा किया, हमने वैसा किया. क्या आप अपने बच्चों को वो एक्सपीरियंस दे रहे हो? क्या आप अपने बच्चों को वो यू नो वो तरसना दे रहे हो? क्या उन्हें ये पता है कि एक टॉफी की वैल्यू क्या होती है? नहीं. आजकल के बच्चे डेयरी मिल्क मांगते हैं, किंडर जॉय मांगते हैं सीधा 40 रुपए की. Because they don't value it. They don't know the value of that 40 rupees. और वो खाएंगे भी नहीं, उसमें से टॉय निकालेंगे. और क्या आप उनको वो स्पेस दे रहे हो? दिस इज समथिंग यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. क्या आप उनको वो एस्पेक्ट्स दे रहे हो? दिस इज समथिंग यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली फॉर्चुनेटली आयशा जी ने जैसा कहा कि अभी वो छोटा है, अभी वो छोटा है. देखो, बच्चा आपके लिए हमेशा ही छोटा रहेगा. आप 80 साल के हो जाओ, आपका बच्चा 60 साल का है, वो तभी भी छोटा ही रहेगा. अगर आप ऊपर से कहीं देख रहे हो, आपका बच्चा 80 साल का है, वो तभी भी आपके लिए छोटा ही रहेगा. आप भी तो छोटे ही हो ना अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए.
Yes,
अभी
ma'am.
भी हो. और आपको इरिटेशन होती है ना, तो आपके बच्चों को भी इरिटेशन हो रही है. मत करो. ट्राई टू बी अ गुड पेरेंट. ट्राई टू बिकम someone, you know where they can come for comfort, where they can come for sharing their thoughts, where they can come for, you know, that comfort. Okay, she or he will understand, how much weird the thoughts are. Even if I'm wrong, I have to tell them first. Are you understanding my point? Yes, Kritika ji.
One more, ma'am.
Kritika ji?
Ma'am, what is the correct age of a kid if we want to send him in the boarding school? I have already sent my elder son in boarding school actually this year,
Age is
last year.
something which can decide, the hostel part. It is their thoughts. Now think about it. If your kid is influence personality, if your kid is someone who gets influenced very easily, okay, even at the age of 30, you cannot send them to hostel. If your kid is high on self connection, if your kid is high on self connection, if your kid is high on perfection, if your kid is high on selfless love, you cannot send your kid to hostel at all, because they will be into depression. They'll be into depression. So understanding your kid decides the age of, you know because till the time you don't know what his or her thought process is, you cannot decide anything. Anything. Some kids are not born to go hostel anyway, anywhere, anytime, any age. And some kids are born even at the age of 2 for their best productivity. Yes, Shweta ji, you want to ask something?
Yeah, right now I'm doing internship at AIM, so I'm seeing children who were sent to hostel are facing schizophrenia, hallucinations.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Why? Because parents has not thought of their thought processes. They have just thought of कि अच्छा हॉस्टल में भेजने से वो इंडिविजुअल बन जाएगा, वो अपने लिए चीजें कर पाएगा. नहीं बाबा, हर बच्चा नहीं बना है इस चीज के लिए. नहीं बना है इस चीज के लिए. एंड दिस इज समथिंग यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एज अ पेरेंट. द मोमेंट यू रियलाइज दिस, ट्रस्ट मी, एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड आउट. और ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जान नहीं सकते. ऐसे बहुत से टूल्स हैं. हम उन टूल्स पे काम करते हैं कि आपको सिर्फ एक टेस्ट करवाना है और आपके पास आपके बच्चे की सारी चीजें आ जाएंगी. आपकी सारी चीजें आ जाएंगी. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट.
Ma'am, so like if he is all settled and now he's happy, well, he was happy since we sent him. It's fine, like because he compared old school and the new one. So he's all settled there. He's fine with the things.
Fine, Kritika ji,
And
I'm
he
not
says
saying that.
it's a very good
Okay,
school and like he's happy there.
fine. That is okay. दैट इज ओके ना. अब कभी कभी ब्लाइंड गेम भी बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है ना. कभी कभी ब्लाइंड डेट्स भी बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है.
Yes, yes, yes.
It is all, a pack of parcels, where, sometimes you get the right, cards, and sometimes
Mm.
जैसे शादी, शादी is like what?
It's a big gamble.
It's a gamble only, ना.
Yes, it is.
आपका पार्टनर कैसा होगा, दिस इज समथिंग, you only can decide after the marriage. Even
Yes, even 10, 15 years after it.
10-15 years भी, कई बार तो 25 साल भी निकल जाते हैं. 40 years. I have seen, I have done the counseling. Love marriage, 12 years of love marriage, got married, got divorced in 6 months.
Mm.
किसी को जानने के लिए एक उम्र काफी है, काफी नहीं, और किसी को जानने के लिए एक मुलाकात काफी है.
Divya wants to ask something. Divya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, my daughter is 8 years old, but recently in the past 2 years, she's showing anger for everything that she wants. If we say no to her, she's throwing things, she gets anger. I don't know how come she is behaving like this. What should be done,
It's
ma'am?
as simple as that her her hormonal growth has been started, and she's someone who is physically very aggressive, whose physical thoughts are way too much high, and her body is changing, and that is hormonal gestures which is happening, and you need to understand what exactly to give her to calm her down.
Okay. Should we say yes to everything, ma'am? It means that she's asking for some things.
No,
She's
no, no, no,
asking.
no, no, no. That is something, I can tell you right away that, you have to say yes to everything. No. You need to
Okay.
understand what your kid exactly wants. This is just a perception. Now tell me, okay, I have a very simple question to you. If you
Okay.
go to a doctor, okay, with high fever, okay, with high fever, which is happening since, let's say, 4 days, okay, you went to a doctor, what
Okay.
doctor will say? Tell me.
How long did you had fever? Did you took any medicine before?
And
What are the symptoms that you had?
right. And what after that? What he'll do?
He will prescribe some medicines.
Prescribe some medicines for 3 days or 5 days, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, after having those medicines for 5 days, the fever still persists. And you go to the same doctor. What will he do?
He will check for the severity, and if it is not, if it is still there, maybe we have to be admitted, hospitalized.
Admitted,
Yeah.
the test, blood test, scans, or something, correct?
Yes. Yes, of
Then
course.
only the exact picture will come,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Absolutely right.
Yes. 100%.
This is exactly what I'm trying to say, that we are working on a tool which is known as FPI, fingerprint interpretations. With that test, you will actually come to know what your kid is, what he or she wants, how he or she should be treated, what exactly they can do, what exactly they cannot do, what is their weakness, what is their strengths, everything in detail.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay. Sometimes, ma'am, there is a difference of opinion between my husband's thought and my thought. He
That is
always
something,
wants her to do
which is
things.
always going to happen because you guys are two brain. लोगों को लगता है शादी करने के बाद दोनों एक जैसा सोचना शुरू कर देंगे, कैसे? हाउ?
Mhm.
सिबलिंग्स एक जैसा नहीं सोचते, पेरेंट्स बच्चे एक जैसा नहीं सोचते, हस्बैंड वाइफ कैसे सोचेंगे? एक की फैमिली इधर है, एक की फैमिली इधर है. हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट देम टू थिंक अलाइक? और गलती से अगर आपकी अरेंज मैरिज हुई है तो बिल्कुल ही पॉसिबल नहीं है.
Sorry, I don't understand Hindi.
Okay, if let's say if you guys are married with the consent of your parents, it's
Yeah,
a marriage. How do you expect them to be alike?
that's
Because in
true.
love marriage, there is a possibility that you like that person because of something you do have, or that person is giving you, there's a
Yes,
little bit of understanding there, right? But
at
when
least
it comes to arranged marriage,
not possible.
only money, parents always see, okay, how financially strong the boy is, how well to do the girl's family is, correct?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
True,
actually
true, true, totally true.
they can see, okay, how they are compatible in looks. But what
Mm.
about mentality? Nobody takes care of that, correct? People
Yes.
take astrological advice, right? The gunas, 36 gunas, or you know but don't you think that even after having the absolute correct kundali, then also people get divorced?
Yes.
So tell me, okay, tell me, how many people are married for more than 15 years? Raise your hands. Okay, do you think that your partner actually knows you 100%?
Mhm.
That is the issue. That is the
That
issue.
is the issue. Exactly, that is the issue. Exactly, that is the issue. After 15 long years, you have been telling that person what I am, how I am, exactly what I want. They are unable to understand. Is it true? No. It's not that they are unable to understand. In their perception, you are also not understanding them. They are also trying to make you understand, na Baba, from 15 years. If you do have complaints, they also do have complaints.
Ma'am, mine is a love marriage, ma'am.
Then
And
also you do have problems.
yes, we have 15 years completed. And the issue is we have misunderstanding with my husband and me. Everyone, my son understands me well. He understands his father well. But everyone blames us we are in having some separations now. That not any for the past 2 months we are not talking to each other with my husband and all. But
Wow.
everyone in the family, they are telling you be please to be together, otherwise your son will affected. I don't think everyone blames my son only. If you don't get together, my son will get affected. Means I
Absolutely correct, Aisha ji. Let me put one thing, that if you guys are not able to connect with each other, don't stay back for your kid. Don't stay back for your kid. Why? Because it is not the kid who wants you to be together. Because the more you will be together, the more that person, that kid is going to be affected, because they are going to see the intensity of hatred, of disconnections, and it might affect the decision of their marriage in their lives. Or, and Aisha ji, I have a solution. Just get this test done. You will get to know that whether it is misunderstanding or you are not made for each other.
it's a misunderstanding only. But we always get into troubles whenever we talk.
Is see, Aisha ji, everything is a solution. Okay, everything is a solution. And when I'm saying that, this is the best solution, because this test reveals everything, na? The misunderstandings will be cleared absolutely within no time. And you both will understand each other in a different perspective. I have people who got their counseling done even at the age of 60s, when their marriage has been for 40 years or 42 years. And after doing the counselings, after doing this test, they said that we believe that this, now we are married, because the level of understanding is very different.
Ma'am, actually, last years I have been adjusted with that because I didn't get the respect, and he doesn't do his responsibility properly. So this time I stood for myself. I need respect, and you have to face the responsibility. So this time I didn't call back him when he was away. Also, I didn't call back him. My son knows about my everything, so he also supported me as well as he wants me and his father also.
Aisha ji, again, that is something you are telling right now. This is something, your version. Okay? As a counselor, when I talk about FPI, I don't see one side of a story. It's not that you are wrong. No, I'm not saying that you are wrong. It's just that when you are saying that there is a misunderstanding, you know, the other story might be just a misunderstanding for you. He might be into that level of understanding, but somehow he's unable to reach out to you somehow or anyhow. But when you have the clarity with the report, you will get to know everything, na?
My point means only one thing, ma'am. Everyone's scaring me that your son will get affected. Your son will get affected. That's the worry.
To people, Baba, don't listen to people,
Ma'am,
society.
even in my case, ma'am, actually, I am taking care of my daughter since she is 1.5 years. I'm going to job. I was working. I was taking care of her financially, and I'm packing her lunch. I'm doing everything A to Z for her. But now she's throwing this much of tantrums. After this, my husband says that she's like this because of you, because of you. So that word is too hurting, right? So how can we take all the blame?
Absolutely. See, it is, I am telling you one thing, that, whatever the circumstances are, whatever the scenarios are, whatever, you are telling me, this is your pain. This is something which your inner core is talking, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes,
And
ma'am. Yes.
that is the reason you need to understand yourself first. To be a great parent, you need to understand, first of all, yourself. Okay? Nobody has to be blamed. Nobody has to be blamed. But unfortunately, we are living in a society where everybody puts in the blame on others. Okay? you need to understand that everybody is facing a problem. You just need to figure out the solutions. And trust me, when I'm telling you this, that this report is a solution, it is a solution.
Okay.
It's as simple as that. See, till the time blood report doesn't come, nobody is going to, give you the right approach for, treatment. Is it true? Is it true? There might be, there might be 5 people with uh, fever, high fever. But do you think the treatment for 5 people will be same?
No.
Not at all. Exactly. If I have 27 parents right now in front of me, that doesn't really mean that all of 27 people will get the same set of solution. Everybody will have the different set of solution because every mind is different. Correct?
Yes.
I hope today you have learned one thing, that parenting is not about learning how to do parenting. Is it or is it not? Is it or is it not? Okay, tell me. हर चीज के लिए, for everything, there is a college. If you want to learn archery, if you want to learn cooking, if you want to learn, reading, if you want to learn designing, everything has a college. Is there any college where they teach you what to do after marriage? Is there any college? Is there any college where they teach you how to become a great parent?
No.
The most important aspect of your life, marriage and kid, nobody is teaching. Nobody is teaching. Nobody is teaching. Correct? People are so shy to talk about sex, and everybody is doing it. Everybody is doing it, correct? Everybody does have fantasies. Everybody does, get involved into this. Everybody. You guys are parent because of sex only, na? But are you guys talking about it? Are you guys talking about it to your kids? No. But
Yes,
when
I
your
am. Yes,
when
ma'am.
your kid actually
Actively.
when your kid actually is going through hormonal phases,
So,
going through attraction,
yes. Um,
through sexuality, understanding their thoughts, and this is the phase from 7 years to 21. This is the phase where they follow or where they go through all of it. Are we talking about this?
yes.
No, no, because we don't have knowledge about it. Is anybody telling you how to do sex? No, but Google is telling you so many things, and which is definitely not the right thing. Sex is not something which Google is telling. No, as a
Yes,
parent,
ma'am.
this is
Yes.
also something you need to be prepared for, na? And how you
Mm.
prepared? Because you guys don't talk about it. You don't have knowledge about how, what, why. This report actually tells you everything about the person whose report you are getting done. Correct? सब इतने शांत हो गए, मैं इतना बोर कर रही हूँ क्या आप लोगों को?
No, ma'am. Very good topic, actually, it is.
कृतिका जी बोल रहे हैं, बाकी कोई नहीं बोल रहा. प्रीति जी, रीना,
Yes, ma'am, it is very good.
there are so many other people. Uzma Khan, Aisha ji to is definitely, she's involved. I can see. Correct?
Ma'am, we also want to know more about that test, actually. Like,
Oh.
it's like a series of questions, or what exactly it is, what
Okay,
it
okay,
is.
okay, okay. A series of questions. Let me ask you one thing. If I ask anybody on the screen right now that do they have an extramarital affair, will you answer yes, even if you do have? Tell me. Will you answer yes?
This about.
Of course, you will say no. If I ask
No.
you, do you think, you will say no.
No.
No, if I ask you that whether you are good with people, you will say yes.
Already one marriage is enough, ma'am. Why to extend marriage?
This test is something where nobody asks you anything. We just take your fingerprints, and fingerprint says it all. Fingerprints are mirror of your brain. Fingerprints are mirror of your brain. Amazing. कभी हाथ की ये बदलती है क्या? फिंगरप्रिंट्स रिमेन्स द सेम, करेक्ट?
Yes, fingerprint.
दिमाग भी हमेशा एक जैसा रहता है, हमेशा एक जैसा रहता है। और इसके बारे में बाकी जानकारी जो है वो आपको श्वेता मैम देंगी। मेरा काम है आपको ये बताना हाउ पेरेंटिंग कैन बी डन with the right tools, how this test will help you in everything, and rest is something जो श्वेता जी आपको बताएंगी। मुझसे और कुछ पूछना है तो आप पूछिए।
मैम अभी आपने बोला कि ब्रेन हमारा एक जैसा रहता है, तो देन व्हाट इज दिस NLP?
NLP can be worked as remedies, not for everybody. NLP, meditation, yoga, dance, art therapy, cognitive therapy, आपके पास बहुत सारे नाम हैं, बहुत सारे नाम, एबेकस, वैदिक मैथ्स, लेकिन ये हर चीज हर एक के लिए नहीं बनी है।
मतलब हम अपने ब्रेन को रिवायर कर सकते हैं कि नहीं कर सकते?
पहली बात तो रीवायरिंग की जरूरत क्यों है? आपका ब्रेन,
नहीं, ये जो
आपका ब्रेन
NLP,
तो ये समझना जरूरी है ना कि आपका ब्रेन है क्या। रीवायरिंग की जरूरत तो तब पड़ेगी ना कि आपका दिमाग कहीं से खिसका हुआ है।
ये जो बोल
एनएलपी टेक्निकली उन लोगों के लिए ज्यादा है जिनके एक्सप्रेशंस डाइसी हैं, घूमे हुए हैं, अलग तरीके से रिवील होते हैं, जिनकी ऑब्जर्वेशंस और इमेजिनेशंस बहुत ज्यादा हाई हैं। एनएलपी टेक्निकली आपको पता है, अगर वो एनएलपी गलत लोग कर ले, मतलब जिनके पास वो सिनेरियो नहीं है या जिनके पास वो इनेट्स नहीं है, अगर वो एनएलपी कर लेते हैं तो उनको स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया की प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है, हेलुसिनेशंस की प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती
बहुत
है।
सारे बच्चे एम्स में परमानंद जी महाराज को सुनकर एडमिट हैं।
आपने वो ब्लाइंड फोल्डिंग वाला तो सुना होगा, मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ने।
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैम
Yes.
एक बार वापस बताइए ना, ऐसा क्यों एम्स में बहुत सारे बच्चे एडमिट है परमानंद जी महाराज को सुन के, ऐसा क्यों?
Helen, this is NLP only, na?
दिस इज एनएलपी ओनली ना कृतिका जी? बहुत सारे
It's not only about Parmanand Ji Maharaj. Schizophrenia में mostly patients religious उसकी
थॉट
वजह
पे
से ही है।
ज्यादा वो चले जाते हैं। बहुत सारे
ओके, मतलब वो एक्चुअली ऐसे काइंड ऑफ ब्रेन वॉश अपने आप हो जाता है?
वो
नहीं, ब्रेन
वो
वॉश
उन पर ही इफेक्ट आएगा, वो सब पर इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज उनका ब्रेन वायरिंग ऐसा है और वो वहां चले गए।
एब्सोल्युटली उनका ब्रेन
ओके
वैसा नहीं था कि उनको वो चीज समझ में आती। ओके ओके ओके, मैं इसको थोड़ा डिफरेंट एंगल पे समझाती हूँ। लेट मी आस्क पीपल, हाउ मेनी पीपल लव डांस?
आई डू, यस।
हाउ मेनी पीपल डोंट लाइक डांस एट ऑल?
माय हस्बैंड, ही डजंट लाइक इट ऑल।
माय हस्बैंड। यस, देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु कैन नॉट डांस। मतलब अगर उन्हें डांस फ्लोर पे खड़े कर दो ना, तो हमें ऐसा लगेगा ये क्यों, ये सत्यानाश क्या हो रहा है, व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग? हाउ मेनी पीपल
And he's listening and he's smiling also.
how many people love to do maths?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
मुंह बन गए, रीना जी ने तो ऐसा
I'm a maths teacher.
Ma'am, I love dancing actually. I
I
feel
love it.
I'm somehow relieved if I dance.
कृतिका जी,
Maths
because
is
that
a
is
very
meditation.
good subject, ma'am. I do like a meditation.
Exactly. Everybody does have, their own way of meditating. Okay. People who are high on expression, for them, meditation is all about talking. Now think about it. A person who like to talk way too much, way too much, and they went for the silent meditation. Do you think they'll be meditating there?
Oh.
They'll be pissed off. It will create a pressure on them. Abhi blindfolding is what? Balancing the right and
Okay.
left brain. Now tell
Right.
me, why do you have to balance it? क्यों क्यों करना है? आप एक औरत हो ना, आपको मर्द क्यों बीच में लाना है? अगर आप एक मर्द हो, आपको औरत क्यों बीच में लानी है? बैलेंस क्यों करना है? अभी सोचो, आप एक मर्द हो और आपको एक औरत बनाया जा रहा है. डू यू थिंक इट इज एवर गोइंग टू बी बैलेंस्ड आउट? एवर? अभी वो करने के चक्कर में जो मेरी एक्चुअल पोटेंशियल है, मैं उसको भी खराब कर देती हूँ. आप यकीन नहीं मानोगे, जब ये ब्लाइंड फोल्डिंग स्टार्ट हुआ था, मेरे पास बच्चे बेचारे, ओ माय गॉड, दे वर इनटू डिप्रेशन. एक बच्चे ने सुसाइड कर लिया इस चक्कर में. 7 साल के बच्चे, 8 साल के बच्चे, 12 साल के बच्चे. हर चीज हर एक के लिए नहीं बनी है ना बाबा. श्वेता जी ने चश्मा लगाया हुआ है, मैंने चश्मा पहना हुआ है, क्या हर एक ने चश्मा पहना हुआ है? अभी आप ये सोचो, यार चश्मा अच्छा लगता है, मैच्योर लगता है इंसान, हर एक पहन लो, अच्छा लगेगा. अभी फ्रेम मेरा अलग है. प्रीति जी ने भी शायद चश्मा लगा रखा है. प्रीति जी, आपका चश्मा अलग है, मेरा अलग है ना?
हाँ. यस यस मैम.
शायद नंबर भी अलग अलग होगा. एक जैसा क्यों? एक जैसे सबके लिए एक जैसा नहीं हो सकता ना.
नहीं हो.
अगर एक ही ड्रेस होती है तो वो एक ही नाप की नहीं होती है ना, अलग अलग नाप की होती है ना. द साइज वेरीज ना. थेरेपी हर एक के लिए नहीं है. मैं मेडिटेशन हर एक के लिए नहीं है. डांस क्लास हर एक के लिए नहीं है. मैथ्स हर एक के लिए नहीं है. हर चीज के लिए एक एक शख्स किसी ना किसी चीज के लिए बना हुआ है. दैट्स इट. आपको बस ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि आप किस चीज के लिए बने हो, आपका बच्चा किस चीज के लिए बना है, आपका पति या आपकी बीवी किस चीज के लिए बनी है. आप दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए बने हो या नहीं बने हो. सिंपल. अब सोचो, मुझे बात करना पसंद है, मेरे पति को बात करना ही पसंद नहीं है, हम दोनों की कैसे जमेगी? मैं इनको हमेशा क्या कहूंगी, बस मेरे से ही बात मत करना, बाकी सबसे बात कर लो. राइट? राइट गाइस?
यस मैम.
आज तो मैंने बहुत ओवर थिंक करा दिया ना आप लोगों को.
नहीं.
Ma'am, please repeat the last sentence. I missed it.
लास्ट सेंटेंस तो मैंने यही बोला है कि अगर मेरा पति बात करने वाला है, नहीं बात करने वाला नहीं है, और मैं बात करने वाली हूं, तो मैं उसको हमेशा ही ताना मारती रहूंगी, मेरे से ही बात मत करना, बाकी सबसे बात कर लेना बस. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, तो इसका solution क्या होता है फिर?
बताया तो. सॉल्यूशन रिपोर्ट करवाओगे, सब कुछ निकल आएगा, उसके बाद सॉल्यूशंस ही सॉल्यूशंस है.
रिपोर्ट करवाते हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Yes, yes.
कब मिले मैम हम?
वो श्वेता जी बताएंगे आपको सब कुछ.
ओके ओके मैम.
वो हम
मेरा
श्वेता मैम
मेरा
से पूछते
मेरा
हैं.
काम
जी जी,
खत्म हो गया. अभी
श्वेता
श्वेता
मैम
जी
से.
You all can
Okay.
WhatsApp me on my number. I have shared in the chat also, and you are connected. That's why you all are here. So you can connect.
Yes, ma'am. Next 10 days, Shweta ma'am will be so busy creating reports, generating reports.
Shikha ma'am will be busy more.
Ma'am, I really feel light.
You really feel light. Oh my God, that's a compliment for me, Baba. If you are feeling light, I'm very much blessed. I'm
I
very
think
much.
we all are feeling light. Yes.
Yes, true.
इसको आप कह रहे हो ना, बाकी सब नहीं कह रहे.
Ma'am, regarding one doubt regarding my student, he is a visual learner, but he does not want to write at all. What to do with them? Because
Nothing.
for exam he has to write.
Nothing till the time we don't, we don't have his report, we won't be able to tell how exactly he can write.
He wants to play. He wants to see the video. He has so much of knowledge. He speaks in English, but he can't able to write.
Simple. Tell his parents to get this report done.
अच्छा लगा मैम, आपका सेशन बहुत अच्छा था. काफी कुछ
Thanks.
सीखने को मिला, बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम, थैंक यू सो मच।
Really, I feel very thanks, ma'am, because I was very worried about my son.
Great, 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 great.
All
So
concerns were cleared.
अब
So
हम और ज्यादा फ्री हो जाएंगे ना मैम।
exactly, मैं सभी को
Ma'am,
हम
when
जैसे
we are happy,
हम अलग हैं, हाँ हम एक्सेप्ट
when we
कर
are
लिया हम
happy, the
अलग हैं,
family will be happy. When
जो
we are
बोले
happy, the
बोलने
family
दो,
will
कोई
be
दिक्कत
happy.
नहीं है।
it's a amazing experience for me today, because my audience were in a great energy. Thanks for being a great audience, and I hope हम लोग काउंसलिंग्स में मिले।
मिलेंगे मैम जल्दी।
Inshallah.
Thank you so
Right,
much, Shikha
guys?
ma'am, for your valuable time and a
Chalo.
wonderful session with us. Thank you so
Good
much.
night, guys. Take care. Be a great parent, but first be a great individual.
Yeah.
Work on yourself. Be selfish. Then only you can help everybody around you.
Yes.
Great night. Good night, guys.
गुड नाइट,
Good night.
थैंक
Good
यू
night,
मैम,
everyone.
थैंक
Thank
यू
you,
मैम,
everyone, for joining the session. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू।